in the wonderful Czech Republic. Czech Republic, I hear you ask, did you get that right? Yes, Czech Republic, we're up north. Here with a very good friend of ours and one of our first clients that we have known longer than we've had children, Lee. And he is here with his Dodge Challenger. Lee is a Mopar tragic. He loves his Mopars. He has got two over in Australia. One of them is his coupe and the other one is his GLX, which is white, and why he has had withdrawals from the V8 roar of a Mopar in the Czech Republic, that he can drive along these winding roads, and he's decided, oh, Shane and Ermi are coming over, so I'm going to get myself a Mopar, and they can't possibly have a holiday up north. I'm going to get them to get their hands dirty, which is fine. We've had a lot of fun driving this car around, and it's fantastic. It's a good car. It's a bit of a classic car. It's got the classic shapes and the classic lines, and it sounds fantastic, and it's great to drive through these roads through the Czech Republic. A little bit scary in Prague because, you know, it's a bit tight through there, but absolutely fantastic. So we're doing a little bit of front end work on this. We're fixing her up, making her steer a little bit better, and then we're going to be taking you to a classic car show tomorrow and showing you what some of the guys up here in the north have to offer. Let's see what some of their muscle cars are and some of their tough classics.
We're here at one of Lee's friends' workshops, and we're actually doing some work on one of my, well actually he was my second customer. Unfortunately he moved to the Czech Republic, and we're here now doing some repairs on his Challenger that he's just recently bought, and we're doing some modifications actually, because this here is the original control arm, and as you can see this is a bit wrecked. So what we're doing is we're changing it over to this one. So what we're doing is we're doing some modifications, and this is the tool that we're using right here. So this tool here is designed to allow us to get more adjustment on our arms in the lower control. Right. So what we've done by using that tool is we're moving the arm in. So basically we want the pin to sit further to the outside here in the hole. So right here we need to sit right there. So by doing that, that'll adjust our camber and get our camber a bit tighter. So now that we've done all this work, now it's the time to put it all back together. We've also put new tie rod ends in as well, inners and outers, and by doing that, that's going to just make the car a bit tighter.